Ugh, I'm so sick and tired of replacing batteries on these old style smoke alarms. Hey, if you're like me and you just hate replacing batteries in smoke alarms every year because you simply forget, well, check out this Aegislink Photoelectric smoke alarm. This is the 6-pack. They also offer options of 1 and 3-pack. Each set includes this small compact size photoelectric smoke alarm. Measures 3.5 inch in diameter by 2 inch thickness. It weighs a mere 3.5 ounces. It also comes with these screws and wall plugs, and this is a mounting bracket. Of course, you have the user's manual, but it's very basic. I'll just walk you through it. I almost forgot to mention, each have their own double-sided tape too. So if you want to mount it, you can stick it on the wall or ceiling. So before drilling in holes, make sure you find a good location. You don't want it to be directly near a source of smoke. Let's say if you want to put it near the kitchen. Obviously, you don't want to put it in the kitchen because it will automatically go off every time you deep fry or pan fry, stir fry. You probably want to put it in a living room or dining room. So once you find that location, what you want to do is drill holes to match the size. Once you have the holes drilled, you want to insert these wall plugs, hammer in, and then you are going to put the screws through here and then tighten it. Once you have that wall plug in, then it's where you would attach it to this mounting plate. Now, keep in mind, see, it does not come on because it's actually activated by this pressure switch. See how I'm holding it flashes? All right, so once you have it mounted, make sure it's screwed on tight or rotated tight, locked in place, okay? And now I can test it out. See, I've got to lock it. See how loud it is? It's over 85 decibels. And once pressed to silence it, that was quite loud, I have to admit. That's probably the loudest smoke alarm I've ever heard. So instead of replacing a battery every year, this has a built-in 10-year sealed lithium battery that's not replaceable. So here's my kitchen. As you can see, there's no fire alarm. You don't want to put it in the kitchen. And it looks like, actually there's none in the dining room. But how the home builders built it, they put it in the hallway. So kind of like away from the kitchen. Walking upstairs, you definitely need one near the stairwell. And of course, near the bedroom or inside the bedroom, of course. Yeah, I have one right there and one right there. All right, now I want to test the smoke alarm to see if it actually works. So what I'm going to do is just simply put some cooking oil here and put some garlic, and we're going to let that fry so you can cause some smoke while I activate the smoke alarm. You see how the smoke is being created? That's definitely locked in place now. See how that went off? Oh, wow. It's going to turn it off. That's loud. Let me deactivate it first before it wakes up the whole neighborhood. Turn on the exhaust fan. Suck all that smoke out. So now that we know it works, and it does, it is very loud. It'll definitely wake you up if you were sleeping or taking a nap. And it will cover anywhere from 215 to 430 square feet or 20 to 40 meters squared of area, making it ideal for small to large rooms. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely be replacing this old style alarm with my brand new smoke alarm. So if you're looking for a loud alarm that's easy to install and without the fuss of having to constantly replace the battery, definitely check out the Aegislink Photoelectric smoke alarm.